Hey love bugs! Today I'm teamed up with Nadula Hair and they sent over this gorgeous balayage wig. She has some beautiful curls to her straight out of the box. It's a beautiful balayage but with a nice dark root. I went ahead and did a really quick and simple, easy, beginner friendly 10-minute install. And as you guys can see, we came out with a flawless hairline and no baby hair. Of course, you guys know baby hair is my zhuzh, so I might add a little bit after the fact. But I wanted to show you guys just how flawless this pre-everything wig is. Look at that curl. Look at that wave. It's just so beautiful. Not only the curl, not only the texture, but the color combo is absolutely fire. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Be sure to check her out. Of course, I have a direct link and all the details down below. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. I'm headed out to dance and I'm already testing that the kids are going to be late to dance. It's 3:24, so we should literally be turning on the freeway right now. Like, not even get in the car, we should be on the freeway. So I'm just going to put this down on my head. And before we do, I am going to spray it. This one is from Nadula. They sent me over this beautiful like honey blonde, honey brown balayage. It's a pre-everything wig. Look at how beautiful the roots in that look. Yes, baby. Yes, yesterday. This is a pre-everything wig, so you guys can see it's a bust down middle part with a pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, that nice little camouflage scallop cut, and then it is a pre-bleached knots. Did I say pre-bleached knots? Pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, pre-plucked hairline. That's what pre-everything means. It's a closure, so it's gonna fit glueless. You do have this right here, which indicates that they gave us an adjustable elastic band to put in here. It's in the box, but I will show it later. And then they also gave us the standard traditional nape. So I'm just gonna go ahead and adjust the straps in the back. We're gonna go ahead and put her down. No baby hair. Literally just gonna put her down. Little mousse. No baby hair. Lace tint if we have to. Ooh. So this is what she looks like on, and as you can see, it's really flat and smooth up here, so you really don't even need the dynamic duo. And then the curls are absolutely beautiful. This is what she looks like from the back. Let's go ahead and spray her down and tint the lace. Always dab off the excess like product because you don't want it to be too messy. Then I also don't want this perfect hairline, so you kind of just play with the hairs, pull some forward. Now we can tint the lace. Cream always is better than powder. It gives more like a skin finish than powder does. I'm gonna take that same cream, and this is shade 15. Pack it in, and we can go deeper. Now this is the powder, and it is deeper. Just because we want to make sure that it looks like skin and not too highlighted, because it is pre-plucked, and if it's too highlighted it can tend to look like a bald spot when it's really just nicely plucked. Now we don't have time for the dynamic duo, so what do we do in lieu? A little mousse up top just to give it a nice little finish, and it's gonna kind of take away some of that powdery effect. I'm gonna take my wet brush and brush it out one good time for the road. And it's beautiful. Even though we added hairspray, it still has a nice bounce and body. Absolutely perfect. You can definitely add some layers or some bangs. One time for the back. This is what she looks like from the back when you comb it out. One time for the hairline and a close-up. We literally did this 3:28, so that was literally the fastest install ever. Now I'm pretty sure I can do some little touch-ups, but we gotta go. So what do? I typically will just take it behind the ears just to keep it kind of tame, and we'll be back in like 2 or 3 hours. Okay ladies, so fast forward an update. You guys seen I went ahead and went to dance with the girls. Hectic mom schedule meant that I actually never came back on camera. So today is like maybe 2 or 3 days later. I have already edited the video, but off camera today when I went ahead and reinstalled, because you guys know I take my wigs off, I just went ahead and sprayed it down again with the bedhead spray, and then I also went in with Ruby Kisses in the shade 16 to go in and touch up that hairline. Now I went ahead and added like 3 curls on top over here and 3 curls on top over here. And if it feels like the ends need a little something and I'm not willing to recurl the whole thing, I just take the whole thing as a bunch and leave it on for a long time like this. What phone is going off? And let it go so that the ends can be nice and beautiful. You guys see, this is beautiful, but we kind of want to give the ends some love, and this is just very ghetto. But luckily this is some great hair, so in the club we all fam. Do that one. Okay, so making sure the ends have a little bit of definition literally goes a long way. You can even add a little bit of serum, not too much, because this isn't fresh hair. This is like 2 or 3 day old hair, so I can mostly concentrate that in the back or the center where hair tends to get a little bit more frizzy and like underneath, to kind of revive everything. And then just brush it all together, and now we in that thing. I kind of just shake it out. We are extra beautiful, super simple and easy. And so look at those curls and how soft and beautiful they are. Now I recommend that if you're gonna curl your hair, take your time and do it all over like you should. But if you are a lazy girl or just a busy mom like me, I'm so used to having at least 2 or 3 bodies to get dressed, even though they can all like the clothes on themselves. You guys know it's a process. So as a mom, I'm literally left with crumbs when it's time to get myself ready. So making it work and making it happen, you gotta kind of go in and do like finesse curls if you want curls. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, there's a direct link down below and all of the details on my beautiful girl. Let me give you one last look at the hairline, and then one last look at what she looks like from the back. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Smooches. Nadula.